Hey, what's going on, Set Apart Gardens fam, man? It's Driver here at Set Apart Gardens. Today, man, we're gonna be butchering over 60 meat birds, over 60 chickens, man, to put in my family's freezer, man. So I want y'all to come along with me and learn as much as you can, but just enjoy the process. Let's go. Oh yeah, you see what we got right here? Yep, we got our yard bird plucker. This is gonna be our scalding station right here. And let's go to the evisceration station. The evisceration station, y'all. Got the coolers ready. Coolers ready. Let's go. All right, y'all. This is my second chicken. I already did the first one off camera because I was trying to show my wife how to use the plucker. This is the second one right here. I'm gonna put them in the killing cone, show you everything we need to do. Put them in this killing cone, it sedates them. Bring y'all a little closer. All right. You're gonna grab them by their neck, you're gonna pull back. You're gonna make an incision right below the jawline, just like this. And let them bleed out. Just like that. Fast, quick, and ethical. That's what more can you ask for with your meat. And look, he's already gone. These are just the nerves. Make sure you have a sharp knife. A sharp knife is a humane knife.
Do it one more time.
And cut around the wood. Put the gut bucket up.
Over there.
Gut bucket. And boom. He ready. You can rinse him off, but you want to save the liver. So
Where am I rinsing him off at?
in that bucket.
Oh, okay. This is the rinse off too.
Yeah.
In there.
So for the liver, all you gotta do is cut it open. I mean, just the gizzard. Cut it open. Dump all this out.
Yeah, I don't know about all that. I think I might
Just
make
save
a
it
pile
now.
of livers or
Save it
something.
now, dude. Babe, do you like butchering chickens?
I like eating shit.
Do I need to turn it back on? Is it hot enough? You don't? Y'all, this propane tank, this setup right here is a great investment. I would definitely suggest it if you're gonna be butchering chickens, because you're gonna be outside. I remember we had to boil the water in the house and bring it outside. You don't want to have to do that. He ready. He ready.
This was my job. I know how to do this.
Look how quick it's doing, y'all. Like, this is your best friend right here. This yard bird plucker. Oh, it's gonna be your best friend. Look at that. Head on still. Look at that. Ooh, that's a good looking bird. Look at that. Ooh, he got one booty hair, y'all. Let me pluck this booty hair. The population is dwindling. It's dwindling, y'all. Got probably about 20, 30 left by the looks of it. 20, 30 of them things. Let's get them done. Who's gonna be my next victim? Is it gonna be you, or you? Hey y'all, so we done did over half of them. That's what we're gonna stop at today. We're gonna finish up tomorrow because I think I got a cooler shortage. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 coolers and 1 cooler bag. I don't think that's gonna hold all these chickens. So what I'm gonna do is, because you know you wanna put them on ice overnight, you want that rigor mortis to set in so that meat will be tender. So what we're gonna do right now is we just gonna eviscerate all the ones that we got that we done killed. We done killed probably at least 40 of them. All right, y'all, welcome to day 2. Now we done got a bunch of them out the way. I probably got like maybe 10 left, 10, 15 left. So we're gonna go ahead and get them out the way. And you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do what we do. But here's one I got in the killing cone already. I just killed them. So y'all come along, man. I'm finna kill some more. And then we're gonna go ahead and eviscerate. Then we're gonna break them down today too. So that should be fun. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I am officially done. Girl, what you got on your face? Well, she got a little bonnet on her face. But anyways, I'm officially done breaking down this meat. Turned out to be 75 birds, man. It took me 2 days to break down the meat, put it in Ziploc bags and all that. Man, I think I might have to buy another deep freezer. But anyways, that's, you know, what it takes to, I believe that's about for my family, because we're gonna give some of it away, of course. But for my family, that's probably gonna last us about 3 or 4 months, if not 6, because it's a lot of meat. So yeah, man, that's what it is. That's what it's about, getting back to the land. Like I always say, if you give somebody the power to feed you, you give them the power to starve. Peace and blessings.
Bombs over Baghdad really ain't that bad. Little wiretap, yes, yes. Little dodge in the IRS. Little haven from the tax man.